Oh, I'm not paying attention because not 9:25 yet. My clock didn't start yet. I have some bad news. How did we not catch that yesterday? I don't know. Apex removed my profit of $5,000. Right here. I didn't even think of that. I was so mad this morning thinking that it was a mistake. Oh man, and how do I how do I forget about the MAE rule right there, not stop out? I'm gonna try to do it again today, but I broke the MAE rule, the drawdown rule here on this second trade, which I think I made like $1,000, not even $1,000 on this trade. Yeah, that hurts. I'm not even. The good news is I got a TPT payout. Got a TPT payout, but I'm not really counting it because I reset a pro account. So you said 2 pro accounts. So I'm not counting that as a payout. Just a refund for resetting the pro account. I did it on Trade of 8 because Trade of 8. In case you guys are wondering, with TPT, Trade of 8, I got the money at 10 p.m. yesterday. 10 p.m. So Trade of 8, Take Profit Traders still does daily payouts, and it's way faster. So if you are someone that needs daily payouts because it affects you how you trade, make sure you choose Trade of 8 as your option. Damn, I was excited. Oh, this 5K profit, $9,000 payout. Now I don't know how the payout's gonna be affected because now I violated the rules. So now I don't know. I'm assuming I won't be able to take out this 3,900. Oh yeah, disappointing. But it's my fault. I mean, we did it on stream and no one said anything. I literally totally forgot about the MA rule yesterday. First time, first violation since like February. Oh man, what a bummer. Should we do the opening range trade? I don't even know if I should do it. Things been cheeks. It's been bad. Is the ATR massive today? I don't feel like it is. Maybe I'm just zoomed out too much. I feel like today's not gonna be as good of a day as yesterday, volatility wise. But we shall find out. I don't think I'm gonna do opening range trade. man. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I just don't have any accounts unless I did it on Bullnox, but Bullnox probably is gonna freeze. Yeah, I don't mind if it's gonna be flawless. I mean, I'm not looking to make $300 anyway on this account. I hope it's good. Let's see. Yeah. Looks pretty good to me. Nice. That's more like it. I'm gonna be long bias, say. Actually, I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Come on. Should have taken that. Okay, good start. Good start. Not $5,000, but we're gonna get there. I didn't switch contracts, no. The rollover already? I feel like we just had a rollover. Jeez. It's similar to yesterday. This thing might just tank. That's exact same like small cap setup that I used to take. Just big pop at the open and short into the weakness. Miss those small cap days. Yeah, Lucid you want to trade. If you want to trade Lucid at the open, here's the trick. You need Apex or some other prop firm that doesn't lag. And you copy trade into Lucid and you'll be able to trade. So that's your trick. So as long as it's the same contract size. I don't know if that makes sense, what I just said, but we'll do a giveaway today. Just hit the like button. We need some likes. We need to go back to hitting some likes because do a poll. Damn. Selling off. Yeah, hard to be long biased on this chart. But this could turn into a wick and be like a fork, double double wick and squeeze higher too. So gotta keep an eye on it. But for now, I'm gonna try to short. Unless we sell off like crazy. Damn, that was a nice short right there. That was a 920 short, basically. Just couldn't get 920 filled. Damn. Yes, Bullnox is 90% off. Code Alpine. $19 for any value. You just don't want to do anything bigger than 50K. We also have Bullnox fundeds here. Damn, I thought that was gonna continue lower. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, I was like, wait a minute. I was in the wrong chart. Come on, let's get a nice dip. Come on. Big dip. Nope. Good thing I took it on this account. That was like a forced trade. If there's a coupon code expired, that means the sale's over. Damn, so you just can't keep a Bullnox account for the life of me right now. No, it's Capital Alpine. Should be fine. Still active. Nope, never mind. Ended yesterday. Sale ended yesterday. Oh, sorry. Oh man, just like that blew it. See how fast you could blow an account? Gotta be able to make money that fast too. Gotta be able to make money that fast. Volatility is quite high. Yep, 230 point opening range, and we're only 8 minutes in. My total expenses this year, I have no idea. Very low. Very low for my average, just because I had a really, really good run. But I don't do my expenses till end of the year. I might do them at the end of this month, 6 months in. I've been doing that last 2 years too, but I had to guess probably 15,000, maybe 20. Probably 20,000. I had 2 contracts of Bullnox. Damn. 2920, perfect. Come on, let's get a pop. I don't want to chase, but this is a short. Just don't want to chase it. This is a good short from me. Damn it. Fuck. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Come on. Is it going to be one of those just reversals here? Come on, don't be like that. Let's do a double top. Yeah, I can't believe either. Raider, I just completely lost my mojo in June. It's crazy how it happens so fast. Overnight. I didn't struggle for like a long time. It was like literally went from trading well to overnight. Couldn't trade. But at least I traded them well enough where I didn't lose them in one day. I lost them over like, course of like 5 days, 6 days, multiple red days. So proud of that. Fuck, why is this dumping right now without me? Come on. We are fucked because we don't take the right trades again. Look at this. I knew it was a good short. It's just I'm trying to be patient. And of course, this is the time where you got to be aggressive. Oh, man. Fuck. Not again. Chat, not again. How many times is this going to happen this month? It's only 9 days in. Not even. We are 8 days in. Oh, my God. Nice, Tyler. I'm gonna try to do something on TPT later. Try and get this Apex account to some profit. Now I'm gonna enter manually whenever I see weakness. Damn, is it? There's no way it's like I said, once this turns green, it could get dangerous to the long side. A lot of congestion here. Damn, 270 point opening range. And we'll keep going. It's gonna be a 300 point opening range. 1 minute. Can it do it? 30 more points. Can it do it? 15 more points. Can it do it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it can. "30 seconds. There she is. 3:07. Oh, God. 3:15, 3:20. Guys, we've been trading like a 50 point opening range. Jesus. Oh, taking out weakness, hopefully, for a little scalp. Retake it. Come on, dump it. Come on, just get away from my average so I could set a stop break even or something. Don't like it. I think it's gonna go, but I think it's gonna tease a little bit more. Yeah, we're up $1,600. Still a long ways to go to recover what we got removed, but this is absolutely unbelievable. This looked so weak, and now all of a sudden, shorting this is scary. You're not locked out. You're never locked out. But nice job. Unless you know, you could still make more. It's not your first day on the account. Tyler was my witness yesterday to my TRADEIFY account. My TPT. That was absolute craze. If I told you guys the story, what actually happened, oh man. I told you guys what actually happened, you would laugh. So, I took a long here on this breakout. Brand new 50K account. Took a long right here on this breakout. Took 3 contracts, I think. Sold 2 contracts up here. Left 1 contract. Almost hit stop loss. Comes back. Goes down again. I'm like, yeah, it's going to hit my max loss. It's going to blow the account. Tyler's like, MOC's coming. So MOC comes, shoots up. You know, and I was up over buffer here. Like I was up like 2,300, 2,400. I ended up selling it here. Of course, then it rips. Then it just rips another 100 points, 200 points since I sold. It was crazy. Over 150 we could run. Joey, we've been running since 772. So it's already a big ass run. Nice, Tyler. Nice. I'm gonna try to join you. I'm scared for now on TPT because the volatility is absolute craze. Come on. Break even stop. I'm not even thinking about it. Maybe get another 20 points or so before I take it off. Nope. Now it's gonna go, isn't it? Bastards. Damn it. Why is this happening nonstop? Fuck. Lord. What am I doing wrong? What did I do? What sins did I commit to get this sort of punishment? I need to go to FSP stream and ask. To make some, we need to pray a little bit. Because this is absolutely insanity what's happening to my stop losses at the moment. The amount of unluck I've received in 8 days of trading has been absolutely crazy. I might have to go to FSP and pray because I don't know. I don't know how to change. I literally had exact trade I just wanted. I just put a stop break even because why not? And it stops me out exactly to a tick. And then it goes exactly to my target of 20. It is absolutely crazy that this keeps happening. Like, how am I going to ever make money if I keep getting stopped out like that? It's just impossible because eventually you're going to lose on trades too. So if the winning trades are getting stopped out, then, you know, I just can't. Can't do it right now. But my mom is coming over to do her cleaning, and she's gonna be here soon. So we got to get all the emotions out of the way. Gonna be very calm when she's here. Oh my god, why is this dropping still? Oh my god, I just don't have the patience right now for the market. I mean, I was in an absolute perfect trade, and I got stopped out. We would have been up like $2,500. Would have been up $2,500 on this account. Halfway to what we got removed, which would have been pretty good. Tofu. Tofu's so cute. It's like a little pillow. That's why I need to. Maybe I need a what are those dogs called when not a medical dog, but what's the name? I'm blanking right now. Support dog. It's raining outside or what? Service dog. There we go. Blanking on that. That's what I need right now. I need a service dog for trading, emotional support. Sim trading. Specifically for sim trading. Tofu would have the time of his life in my backyard, chasing all the squirrels. I am gonna put a fence in to keep the bear out and stuff. So maybe I'll get a dog again. Beagles are crazy. No, I'm not a fan of cats. I don't mind cats, but I'm not a fan. TRADEIFY has 40% off. Feel like I should buy a couple of accounts. Maybe straight to funded. But yeah, it looks so weird on my stream not to have a menu account. Oh gosh. Crazy how trading could go from so good to so bad so fast. Okay, my mom's here, so close the office door so she doesn't hear me complain about the markets all the time. The market's great. Market's great. Trading is going really well. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know which way we want to go now. This candle needs to decide whether it wants to be green or stay red. 1/3 of accounts. What happened with TRADEIFY? Trade evade issues? Oh. What was the issue? Just lag or? Oh my goodness. I'm kind of stuck and decided if I want to short. Longs are not giving up that easy. We've seen this move like just get erased really fast. This is kind of holding. But can they hold long enough? I'm still sad about my last trade. Damn it. Yeah, longs are just buying the dip. So many wicks. Um, it's not that volatile right now. I mean, I guess it is. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm so zoomed out, like I don't realize it's a 100-point candle. Yeah, this is where trading ES is actually not bad. But ES just looks so choppy. Oh, yes they do. My friend just asked me if TPT has a sale. TPT is back to 40% off, guys. Back to 40% off. So the poll is wrong. Okay, now we work on some TPT. I really want 5 TPT accounts. I feel like that's just a game changer at this point. That's just a game changer at this point. TPT is now processing my payout request. They're not activating my pro account. How long have you been waiting for the Pro Plus account? 162 and 81 likes. Never gonna. It's only 10 o'clock, Miss K. Relax. Breathe. It's fine. 150 likes by 11 o'clock. We could do it. 1 week is pretty long. But I waited 2 weeks for TPT Pro Plus. Jose, see you tomorrow. My group of last 5 lasted about 3 days. I don't remember last time I had 5. So getting to 5 is good, Black Coffee Trader, but don't copy trade them, please. Copy trading TPT is really dangerous. Copying TPT on TRADEIFY? What do you mean? Oh, man. I'm kind of stuck here. I don't know what to do. There's no obvious trades for me right now. Like, it's volatile, but it's super choppy, meaning it's barcoding. I feel like it's gonna break up though. Yeah, I feel like this candle is just gonna turn green and we're gonna go. Copying TPT and trade of it. It doesn't matter what prop firm you or platform you use. What I mean by TPT copy trading is dangerous is that you are putting yourself at a disadvantage for getting daily payouts. Because if you make 1 or 2 mistakes, you blow all your accounts instead of just one. Not to mention the hedging violation that you could incur. Seems a little whippy right now. This candle specifically seems a little weird. Austin, they put you live after one payout. I mean, you have some bad luck, brother. I don't know what you're doing, but you have some bad luck with prop firms. But TPT should always be able to take out the payout. That's the thing with TPT. You should be always able to take your payout even when you go to Pro Plus. It is a long, Joey. Definitely seems like a long. Any example? Basically, your copy trader could get you out of one trade. I mean, I don't even know how that happens, but it happens. You're basically in long and short at the same time for a second. Submitted payout request last Friday and TPT hasn't approved it yet. That is interesting. TRADEIFY or Rhythmic? That was a big rejection for sure. Make sure we don't get any violations here. Damn, I got faked out on that. I thought this was gonna reject, but we'll flip long if it doesn't go lower. I was afraid to long this because thinking that it's just gonna collapse, but I did the opposite. All right, I'm gonna flip long bias. Really think shorts are just not gonna hold on too long. I need a good entry because we're gonna lose our profit. Yeah, lost all the profit, so now we need a good entry. Hopefully that's not gonna just do what it's doing. It's a lot of potential in this market. You just got to be on the right side. I hope this is not gonna happen. Really hope this is not gonna happen. Really, really, really can't. This cannot be happening right now. No, this is not real life. If this goes if this goes to 29.20, this is not real life. Unbelievable, guys. This is gonna go lower. What the hell was that? I don't know what that was, but I'm going long. That looked like a big order or something. Damn, I just can't get on the right side of the freaking move. That was a big flash order, I thought maybe. But no, of course, it's gonna. Now it's gonna go down because that's the way life goes for me. Can't make this shit up right now. This is absolutely so funny right now. So I get top ticked again. No matter what I put my stop, I get stopped out. And that was the bottom there. That was the bottom there, you telling me? The fucking bottom. Holy shit, guys. Yeah, this account needs to just be gone. It's not meant to be. No, it's not the market. It's me doing exactly opposite of what the market's doing. But it's just so funny. Like, what are the odds of this being the top, this being the bottom, getting break even stopped right here, stuff like that. It's all right. We got $2,500, basically 50K account. We're gonna get this 5K. Don't worry. Just need a need a good trade. Right now, the market's doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. Yeah, it's tough to see what SpaceX is gonna do. Is it gonna rip or is it gonna tank? I would buy SpaceX if I thought it was gonna rip. Don't know if this is gonna rip higher, break out, or is this gonna tank? $1 million question right now. But when you like an inflection point trade, this chop is just gonna destroy the account. Well, those are like bad trades. It's hard to trust 80-20 in this volatility. So kind of went with momentum. I thought this was going to be momentum to the downside after it double topped, but clearly not. And now it's trading within my stops. Good job, Casey. But yeah, after this, I'm just doing TPT, guys. I am Bull Knox and TPT. Bull Knox has 90% off. I'll do Bull Knox and then TPT, and maybe I'll do Lucid or TRADEIFY, but not doing anything else. No more Apex for a while. I need a detox from Apex. I haven't even tried the new account, so we'll get Apex once we are funded with TPT and things are going well. I'll get destroyed on the new Apex accounts. Lucid, I'm cursed with. I'm 90% sure I'm cursed with Lucid. So for now, why detox from Apex? Because I just blew all 15 accounts, all 13 accounts. Technically 12. We're still alive with one, but I made $5,000 yesterday on this account. They removed the profit because of my stupidity. The new accounts have better payout structure, but not better rules. Daily loss limit is a killer. So would be a funny to full port long. Yeah, I'm trying to find a good spot. I'm thinking longing though on the next dip because this is absolutely gonna squeeze shorts. It's funny how I was long here and then got stopped out at the bottom. Pretty funny. Should we do it again? You guys want to see a magic trick? Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Just gonna show you guys for research purposes how this is gonna be the top. We're going right back down to negative 1500. So you could place your buy orders. Place your buy orders right here at 133. Come on, Miss K. Don't tell him to like this stream. I want to keep the account for myself. Need them. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. 120 bounce. I'm rebuying it once I get stopped out. Watch this. Now wick me out. This might be a good time to switch over to NinjaTrader, guys. By the way, this might be a good time to switch over to NinjaTrader. So I could do TRADEIFY accounts. But launching NinjaTrader is like launching a spaceship every morning. Unbelievably annoying. Have you ever considered doing a live account challenge with 10,000 of your own capital? I did it a long time ago. Did a $4,000 challenge. With 10,000, I could turn that into maybe 20,000. Not worth my time. For the risk versus reward, it's not worth my time. If I knew if I could turn 10,000 into like 50,000, then I would do it. But I know I can't. And if I did, it wouldn't be my trading style. It would be just YOLOing big size. Earn to trade. Haven't used them. They're ancient, so never them. Like you have Earn to Trade, One Up Trader, Lilu Trading, stuff like that. I don't touch. They're like ancient, old, and they haven't adapted. For Lucid Eval, yes, every prop firm that I know of should stop even on an eval, I think, at the initial balance. All right, now we're gonna go long right here and say goodbye to this account. You guys buy? I told you guys to buy. This is the bottom. Told you guys it's the bottom. All right, final trade. Final trade on Apex here. It's either gonna go up to the moon or we are done with Apex for a while. Might be a long while because I have not been able to get to 5 TPT accounts in a long time. So we'll see how long it takes. Let's see, perfect low. You already have 25 points if you placed it where I had my stop. Can't make this shit up, but it's the reality of it right now. Mm-hmm. Live trading video on my channel that goes over your equipment. I actually don't have, but if you have any questions, glad to help. You don't need much. You don't need much to get started. The streaming software is free. Do need a camera. And the microphone. What do you 911 pros and cons? I drove my Boxster yesterday. My God, that thing sounds like a freaking beast. Which is the con of the 911. Sounds like a freaking vacuum cleaner. Maybe not, but yeah, Turpskis are not that great. I saw a Z06 convertible the other day driving, and it sounded like so good. Should just buy one. $110,000. You could get a Z06, which tells you that they're not holding value like they should, but that would be a car to buy if I could trade like Ocala. I think Ocala actually has a Corvette. Make a model Corvette. Year trip. Oh wow, this is it, boys. Buckle in. We might be buying a Corvette with this trade. We're going to the moon. Any pictures convertible? Come on, go up. Of course, it's not gonna go up. Broke highs and it just doesn't want to have momentum. Like, tell me, that's not nice. It's pretty nice. I love the T-top. Come on, market, just go. Please. Does it come with New Balance shoes? Yes, and a kid, and jean shorts. Wow, we're gonna get screwed on this trade. I knew it. That ad is gonna screw us, and then it's gonna go. That's unfortunate. The fact that I got stopped out here, and I bought it back, and now I was winning trade, was pretty funny. And I added at the top like a dummy because, of course, market doesn't want to break out when I needed to. All right, goodbye, Apex. It was nice knowing you for 6 months. Good run. Good run. All right, no more Apex accounts, guys. Oh, that was a bummer. Logging out of Apex. Don't want to see that. That's a bummer. So we're getting a $10,000 payout this month, and we blew the account because they removed the profit. Oh. Oh well. No more Apex, guys. No more Apex till we have other accounts funded. It was a great run. Total payouts was a lot. I don't even know how much. I think 130,000. 130,000 on Apex from those accounts. Do the math really quick. TPT, baby. That's all we need, guys. Everyone just needs TPT. Let's make that the mission. No one needs any other prop firms. Actually, that's not a good mission because then TPT is going to get bogged down. Total payouts on the accounts, $130,836. Good run. It was an amazing run. Can't complain. But I need a detox. We need a detox. Yes, those are the old accounts. Trading in a nutshell after a record month. Yep. Always, always, always. NQ Trader, I hit the MAU rule by mistake. How the hell do you delete all TPT accounts from QUANTOWER? When you log in, go to connection settings and turn off this non-active accounts. So it's under connection settings here. I'm legit thinking about switching to NinjaTrader. Let's try that. Let's try and download NinjaTrader. I don't even know how to do that. Do I have? I don't have NinjaTrader on this computer, do I? I do. No, I don't. I do. Actually, that might be because I kind of I kind of synced my computers, some files. All right, how do we download this? Where is there a download thing? Oh, Phidias has TRADEIFY now too. That's nice. I'll use that. I like Phidias. I have no idea. See, this is why I effing hate NinjaTrader. Why can I just download it on the website? QuantTower is so easy, guys. I'm telling you, when you use QuantTower and then you try to switch over to NinjaTrader, you're gonna be like, "What on earth is this garbage?" With everything that they have going on, the way you gotta log out every single day, you know, your PNL gets all stuck. It's slow to load up. Like everything is just backwards on NinjaTrader. Well, I just logged in and I have 280. I have a live account with NinjaTrader and I have $287 in it. If we send it on micro, we could make $1 million. Well, I'm still gonna trade with QuantTower because we're gonna have both like we used to. Um, okay, installing this. I prefer NinjaTrader 7. That's when it was nice. Once they switched over to 8.0, that's when it became like a trash platform. I have a live account with NinjaTrader. I forgot about that. We could just fund it and go for it. Been stuck for a minute on this. Great. Love it. NinjaTrader, Jesus, already pisses me off. Yep, not working. Unbelievable, you freaking piece of shit. Yeah, I can't even cancel the installation window. Great. Try that again. Tried it again. Maybe because I like QuantTower for crypto trading. I could trade stocks on QuantTower if I get interactive brokers. They have taking a break next week, touch some grass, become one with nature, my energy. Well, hopefully it works for you because it hasn't worked for me. Mm-hmm. Bull knocks. You can only do one rhythmic on Ninja Trader. So update available. I literally just downloaded the newest version, you piece of shit. Maybe you should update their website. I literally just downloaded the newest version of their website. As you guys could tell, I have no patience for Ninja Trader. I've used it. I know the pain. The only thing is I have affordable indicators for free. So will I be doing betting on World Cup? No, I don't do that. I don't bet sports. I'd rather YOLO eval. That makes sense. Okay, let's see. I don't even know what my login is. All right. So how is the login on my computer different than on the website? I literally put the same password in. Oh, is it because it's a capital T? You have two-factor enabled. Oh my God. I'm losing hair follicles trying to log into this. All right, I think we're in. You don't have valid license for Replicanto. Okay, I don't really care. Are we on NinjaTrader? See how long it takes to load in? Oh my God. QUANTOWER would have launched 3 times already. And I have one of the fastest computers you could have. Maybe something new came out now, but when I bought it last year was the fastest thing you could have. Do you really allow public? Oh my God. Some of my settings are still saved. That's what sucks. I wish it was like a fresh start. Should I do a fresh start on NinjaTrader? New 2026. Stop watching those videos on your computer. Yeah, those skid steer videos are pretty dirty. They're pretty dirty. Play with a lot of dirt. All right. Is there a way for me to reset NinjaTrader completely? How can I delete something on my computer? Settings. Oh man. Who wants to see something crazy? Anyone remember this? Oh, does anyone remember this? Reset work. No, not workspace. I need the settings to be reset. There's gotta be a folder somewhere on the computer. NinjaTrader 8 templates. Background. Hold on, I'm just gonna delete everything from my computer when it comes to NinjaTrader stuff. I just want to start fresh. NinjaTrader. Delete. Okay, so I just deleted everything. Hopefully. We do have to trade our TPT account. I like to do on NinjaTrader. That's what I'm trying to do here. All right, let's see. If I install NinjaTrader now, I deleted everything from select skin. Yes, there we go. See, didn't ask me that before. We're getting somewhere. How many likes we have? We have 150 likes yet? Come on, guys, hit the likes. We're gonna do a TPT eval giveaway. See, I gotta log in. See, my login's not saved, so we're in good spot. I think we're gonna have a fresh start. Your documents folder appears to be synced with OneDrive. This may cause issues. We recommend setting your documents folder to a local directory for optimal performance. I don't know how to do that. Don't ask me. Okay. We're getting to some places here, guys. We are starting to... we just got to log into TRADEIFY. Connections. Simulation. How do I add a connection? NinjaTrader, why you have to be so complicated? It used to have a... Why can I add a connection, guys? Used to be there used to be a button here to add connection. Do I need to get a license, maybe? Maybe that's what it is. Maybe I need a license. But where is the license? Tools, general, multi-provider. Multi-provider. Okay. Gotta restart NinjaTrader. See, that's the problem. We have to restart for everything. Okay. Thank you. That works. All right. So let's add a connection. So it'll be NinjaTrader. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm trying to set up NinjaTrader for the first time in a long time. Because it might be a good time to switch now. Since I basically lost all my accounts. Haha. We are live with TPT, baby. Yeah, now we're gonna compare the charts because people said that the charts were pretty much the same. And I want to show you guys what I always complain about. All right, I guess we're not going to get all the data that we want. Yeah. There's got to be a way to reload the data, though. I mean, maybe they improved it a little bit. Oh, God, I got to get used to, like, how to move the chart. So we're going to go to 1 minute chart here. Let me know if you guys see the difference. How choppy this moves versus how smooth this candle moves. See how this one, yeah, see that refresh rate. So at least we're in, and we could trade some accounts. I gotta get my affordable indicators. We'll try that. Members area. Oh God, I gotta remove. I have OneDrive set up, and I gotta change that. Otherwise, I'm gonna have issues. I gotta do this. That's gonna be another day. Log into OneDrive and stop the connection to Ninja. You mean on my on the browser? I don't even know what my login is. Honestly, I have no idea. Okay. That seemed to work. Ninja Trader. So what'd you do? Stop connection. Where did I stop the connection? Oh man, this is so complicated. None of this has to be done with um QUANTOWER. So simple. All right, we're back to looking bearish again. I'm gonna try buy this maybe. Confirmation. That didn't work. That went against me right away. Jesus, I have absolute the worst luck right now in trading. Gonna blow it. Instantly blown. Damn. How is it such a big candle stop exact? Like, why couldn't it be like this? That's what I don't understand. Why is this always happening to me lately? Eventually, it will pass. Eventually, things will pass, guys. But for now, we are saying goodbye to TPT Pro. Just blew a TPT Pro. I was just trying to test NinjaTrader. Oh, man. Oh, well. All right, guys, let's do this giveaway. I need to work on this NinjaTrader. A giveaway. I am being absolutely reckless right now with my trading. Everything I touch goes against me. You have 4 minutes to enter giveaway, by the way. Yep, bottom tick. What else is new? What else is new, chat? We bottom tick this stop here. I don't even know what's wrong with this chart, but it's not working. We bottom ticked. I mean, I can't make this shit up. Like, oh well. This is. I need a break. I really need a break. No more likes needed, Miss K. Don't worry about it. You got 1 minute, and I'm drawing the name. No more likes needed. $11:20 a.m. So good luck, everyone. This is for a 50K TPT eval. Try to figure out this Ninja Trader stuff. All right, closing. And the winner is... it's Hefe, yo. Is he here? Is El Jefe watching? There we go. Congrats to you. You are now a winner of... send me an email with your TPT email, please. Yeah, so I'm gonna figure out a few things with this Ninja Trader. I gotta do affordable indicators, and this one drive is confusing as hell, so I have no idea how that's gonna work. No idea. Anyone know how to stop this one drive thing? Whatever. If I have issues with it, I'm just gonna... delete OneDrive or something. I don't know. Everything's on my other computer. I don't even know why I have this OneDrive, to be honest. Right click on the taskbar icon. Pause syncing settings. Folder selector. Of course, it bounces now. This piece of shit. Oh my god, I can never freaking get anything right this week. This month. I am absolutely gutted. Oh my god, how can you be so bad? Like everything I do is right, but it's wrong timing. That's basically what it feels like. Unlink this PC. There we go. Unlinking. F you. We don't need you. There we go. Okay, let's download affordable indicators. Now I need my NinjaTrader ID. Do that. Ninja script downloads. Ninja script. Okay, now how do I launch this damn thing? Tools. All right, so I just installed a chart trader. How do I activate it? Chart trader. Okay, we're back. We're doing this. All right, so we hide. Aha. See? Then can we do buy click, sell click? That still wouldn't work to what for ORB. Yeah, for ORB, that still wouldn't work because I can't do both at the same time. Yeah, so ORB still wouldn't work. I would have to be super fast. Or I could just place, I could do this, I guess, and just do ORB like that, but that's kind of like not as accurate. All right, but we're getting somewhere with this. This will be usable for certain accounts. I don't have to use TRADEIFY. Why is it not letting me reload? When I reload data, it just completely. Isn't there a tick chart thing that you gotta set? Why can I see? Oh yeah, Sean, if you could, that'd be awesome. I try, but when I hit reload, it literally just goes right to the newest candle. Oh my god, with this restarting of NinjaTrader, that's what I'm saying. Like it's so freaking annoying compared to like once you use QUANTOWER, you're like, wow, how simple can a software be? I actually like that better, Poppy. How do I save the workspace? Oh my god, this stupid thing. Now it's asking me if I want to save a workspace, and I don't see a way to save it. Am I retarded? Am I missing something, guys? Like, I'm literally on the workspace, can't save it. Can't. Would you like to continue without saving? Create a new one. Okay, so that erased whatever I just had. Great. Fuck. Unbelievable with this piece of shit software. Oh, whatever. I don't give a shit. I didn't really do much. Oh my god. I don't understand how people, how can you prefer NinjaTrader over QuantTower besides the fact that it's a connection thing? There's literally not a single benefit of using NinjaTrader over QuantTower. Not a single one. And I'll argue that. Give me a reason. And maybe if you use some kind of tool that, you know, there's a lot of like scripts that you could have for NinjaTrader. But as far as like the blank software, there's nothing that's better on NinjaTrader than it is on QuantTower. It's free. Good point. Totally forgot about that because I have free QuantTower. Totally forgot about that one. Once you get it right, it's all good until you have to switch your computer and you want to go trade on your laptop. How are you going to go trade on your laptop? You're going to have to do all this all over again on your laptop? Versus QuantTower, you download it, you log in, and it's pretty much within 2 minutes, it's tradable. That's what got me off NinjaTrader, is because when I switch computers, and I switch computers every few years, it's just a nightmare. It's a logistical nightmare once you have any sort of issues. I mean, I couldn't install any add-ons anymore. It could, kept giving me an error. The only thing is obviously every prop firm is controlled by NinjaTrader, so we have to use it. Yep, it's so heavy. You could export. Why can't I just save it? Simple. Why can't you just save it? Who develops this and doesn't think of like, maybe when a person is exiting the software, maybe we should let them save the workspace instead of saying, do you want to continue without saving? I know. I'm just venting out. It's all done now. It's all gone. So I didn't have much, just one chart. So I'll be able to get that back. I'm just saying, this is why I don't use NinjaTrader, because it's so stupid how it's designed. But I will do it because of the ease of use with TRADEIFY prop firms. But QuantTower is always going to be a part of us too. Mm-hmm. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Horrible day today. Absolutely destroyed. Got nothing left, so not sure what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Obviously, got to work on evals with TPT, but besides that, I'm at loss for words. But just unlucky. Maybe that's what we needed, a complete reset. A complete reset is probably what I needed. All right, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. I'll continue the grind.